This is correct. We have taken 5. We have gone for occupancy level more than 10%. With this, the rating is coming to SIL 3, and that is what is expected. And this is correct.
It is basically high SIL 2.
Sorry?
It is high SIL 2 or low SIL 3, yeah.
It's a 1,000. SIL 2 or SIL 3?
Yeah, that's what I'm high SIL 2 or low SIL 3. Yeah,
high SIL 2 and low SIL 3. Yeah. So probably in the SIL verification, if you wish, we can verify with respect to the RRF. RRF is the 1,000. 1,000 may be SIL 2 or 1,000 may be SIL 3.
That is okay. No issue. Yeah.
No, but if it is SIL 3, then we have to do something?
No, we have to do, after verification, we have to do something.
Like
once
Ananta sir, like what we have to
Then
do
it should be SIL 2.
No, it is okay. It is okay.
Yeah. So right now what Ananta is saying that
of hardware and anything.
This is the extreme SIL 2 and the extreme high SIL 2, extreme low SIL 3. This is 1,000, this is 1,000. So we can justify during the SIL verification, and we can fine tune the RRF to less than 1,000 to purely qualify into SIL 2. I will put here. The RRF is
right now we cannot do anything to make it SIL 2.
No, we can do, but what Ananta is saying that if I take SIL 2 here, SIL 2 here, then we can take. But Ananta is saying that let us not consider SIL 2 because anyway we are going to upgrade to SIL 2. But for assessment point of view,
our system, everything is designed for SIL 2.
Then let us keep it.
Ananta sir, the whole system instrument team is saying that all the system they are providing will be minimum SIL 2.
Minimum
SIL 2, yeah.
So we cannot take now SIL 2?
No, that is verification. That is part of verification.
This is okay. This is also SIL 2 only. See, the low, high SIL 2 is coming. No, it is okay. RRF with 1,000, which is basically low SIL 3.
Yes.
Here we are providing 2 out of 3 transmitter here, which will easily qualify SIL 3. No issue with that.
Yes, correct. Absolutely. So guys, with this we have seen all our scope for the day. Tomorrow morning I am there with you in
But
MP
one
office.
more, which one you were saying that it is left for Habshan area? Anything left?
Habshan, we finished now. Habshan.
No. This only this two. Nothing more.
Yeah. It's finished now. This is done.
ممكن نريفيو كده ورك شيت كامل قبل ما نقفل.
Okay. We can review يعني review the worksheet. Quick review. Worksheet? The worksheet, yeah. Quick review. In the worksheet, we have taken TSDH at pump suction temperature high, PSDL at low pump suction, PSDS at high pump suction pressure, and PSDS at pump discharge high pressure, and FSDL at low flow at minimum circulation line, and this PSDH at common suction pressure high. Common suction high.
How many?
Yeah. 6.
6. What is the number? I need to check that.
6. Read man. In the common 1, 3, 4, 5. Yes.
ممكن نوصلها على الجنب اليمين 3 4 5 6 في ريكومنديشنز او حاجه.
عندك السكشن 1 is a section. Yes, 1.
This one.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
We count high and low in the section.
Yes, you have taken both. High, low both. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the suction pressure high common. Yeah. So guys, no worries. Anyway, I'm there tomorrow whole day, and then we have a day after. So we'll come to you tomorrow 9 a.m.